If something bad happens and people are charged with a crime and there's a weapon involved, people are exposed to higher lengths of time in prison and jail. Even just having a gun involved, whether it was used or not, will take a simple misdemeanor assault case and will aggravate everything, including the bail hearing, which happens at the beginning of the case. The judges who see guns involved multiply the bail. So people that have never been in the system before, that are involved in an altercation but have simply a gun present, will face much higher consequences throughout their whole case. We see weapons charges cases where people have a right to possess the gun and they will be carrying the gun innocently, but then something accidental will happen and they need a lawyer. And we've had a lot of success representing people who are otherwise good people where an accident happens and they were just carrying the weapon because they have a right to carry the weapon and they never intended to use it to hurt anybody. We've had lots of those cases and had lots of great outcomes. In weapons cases, we'll see people that are otherwise lawfully carrying a gun, but then something bad will happen, and the fact that there's a weapon present will change the dynamics of the situation, and the person with the gun will be charged with a crime. And that's often a problem and a mistake in prosecution, and we've had a lot of success pointing that out and getting people out of the system who have otherwise been lawful people. People hire me to handle their cases, to get involved early and to hopefully avoid charges coming at all. I'm representing them throughout the whole criminal case because often the cases can get dismissed. Weapons cases involve searches and often they're not lawful searches. Prosecutors are willing to negotiate with weapons cases when the weapons aren't used in the way that they were originally thought. So we've had a lot of success with guns cases and weapons cases.